Today's video is gonna be how I get these beautiful curls, crinkles, waves, whatever you want to call them, by doing just a simple braid out. And it's so easy, I promise you. This could be for any hair texture, any hair type. You're gonna be looking good, sis. I'm finna put you on. Before we do get into this tutorial, make sure you thumbs this video up, comment down below what you want to see next, and please make sure you subscribe to become part of the pretty game. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. You're gonna need some small rubber bands. You're gonna need an oil of your choice. This is the oil that I'm using right here. This is the LV oil. I actually seen this at the Dollar Tree. And then this is what I'm gonna be using. I've used this already and I really like it. No cap, but I'm not even gonna lie to you, I really like this. And it's just a leave-in conditioner by Dove called Amplified Textures Moisture Lock for coils, curls, and waves. Let me tell you, this stuff will have your hair feeling good, okay? I'm gonna wanna wear a middle part, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a zigzag. Well, no, I'm gonna do a straight part down the middle, okay? And then we're gonna do 4 braids total on each side. So basically you're gonna part one. So first you're gonna part your hair in halves like this. Now my parts aren't going to be neat, and that's the point. You don't want your parts to be neat, because if they're neat, you're going to have like weird like gaps in your hair and weird parts in your hair, and that's not what you want, boo. That's not what you want. And a ponytail. So yeah, that section. Like I said, we don't want it, so I'm just going to do like this to brush, but like kind of like do a wiggly. You know what I'm saying? You see it's not part being straight. Then I'm going to take this part, put it back here. Then we got this pee bottle with some water in it. This is water and conditioner, actually, I lied. This is water and Aussie Moist conditioner on our hair. You want your hair a little bit damp, but not too damp, because I want my hair to be dry by tomorrow. And if you're like me, your hair takes a long time to dry, then you don't want to, you know what I'm saying, put too much damp. Then I'm getting some of this, because I could not get the pump to come up, but you get you some on your hands and apply the product to the section. What you're gonna put the oil on when we take our hair down too. This oil is very lightweight, goes a long way. You just need a little bit. I really like this oil. You just put a little bit in your hand, literally a little bit, and then just, you know what I'm saying, just rub it on the hair, just like so. Part of the comb it out. You want your hair to be thoroughly detangled. It has to be detangled, guys. It has to be detangled. And your hair has to be kind of damp, either soaked or damp. If your hair dries super fast, you could soak your hair. If your hair naturally dries fast, then soak it. But since mine doesn't dry fast, I'm gonna go with the damp, okay? But your hair you cannot do this on dry hair, otherwise it won't take the curl pattern that good. Braid. If you don't know how to braid, unfortunately, I don't know how to teach how to braid. I just kind of learned on my own, literally, and watched like other people do it, and that's when I learned how to braid. You see how they got nappy? Make sure you just detangle it and then continue your braid. First of all, I'm in college. I go to community college. I'm currently a freshman. I'm 18, so as soon as I graduated, I went right into college. Transition was nice, you know what I'm saying? It's really nice. If you ask me, community college is, I feel like it's a good alternative for anybody, no matter where you come from, no matter how smart you are. I feel like community college is a great transition if you're looking for something like that's not gonna like overwhelm you. Community college is the way to go, because I didn't feel like I was in high school, but I didn't feel like I was, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I didn't feel like I was overwhelmed. I didn't feel like it was like a dramatic change, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely a change, but not like nothing I can't handle. So I would recommend community colleges to start for everyone, to be honest. Like, I would think that community college is perfect for everybody to go to. So as far as like online schooling, at first it was a little bit difficult, because you have to get in the habit of getting up and doing the work on your own, as opposed to when you have to actually go to the college and actually go to class. The story, like, my classes were like, it's just, I don't know, and it's like the work piled up even more once we got online school, and that was just like so weird to me. But how moisturized my braid look, that's how moisturized yours supposed to look. I just want to ask everybody, pretty much I'm done because our semester ended a few days ago. But I just want to ask everybody, like, how's online schooling going for you? Because I know people who are in like grammar school or middle school like still have to like take classes until like, you know, it's over, probably like June. But or who knows how long they're gonna try to have y'all doing that. Currently I'm trying to do nursing, but I'm like, I don't know. I'm kind of like iffy about it. I'm kind of like skeptical. Like, I don't know if I want to keep doing nursing. I'm kind of looking at law, but I don't know. Cause like by the time I get done with my law degree, I'll be like, you have to do 4 years of a university and then you have to do 4 years of law school. So by the time I get done, I'll be like 27 when I'm done. But as opposed to nursing, I just have to do 4 years and I'll be a nurse by the time I'm like 24. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's all about, you know what I'm saying, the pace for me. But it's like, I don't know. But I just want to know how you guys are doing with your online schooling. Let your girl know in the comments below. I love to hear about it. I love talking to you guys. I swear I do. I love y'all so much. I swear, like, y'all are the sweetest people I know. Like, y'all aren't even like subscribers to me. Y'all aren't even like, I don't look at y'all how most people look at their subscribers. Like, y'all are really family. These other braids, and oh man, this little piece of hair, this is a piece that I forgot, but I ain't tripping on it because, you know what I'm saying. But our braids are in, they look nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna come back to you guys in the morning because I have to let them get the chance to like set and dry. Be taking them down and y'all gonna see the final look. Y'all gonna see what your girl's looking like. Okay, so now I'm back. It's the next day. About to take her braids down. So they're 100% dry. I waited till they were 100% dry. These braids down, so I'm gonna take my oil that I used yesterday because it's so lightweight and I love it. So I'm gonna let you see how much I'm putting in my hand. Just run it across your braids, just like this, like so. Down. So I'm gonna take these rubber bands off the ends of my braids. oil on your hands because it keeps your hair from frizzing up. So we're gonna start from the back. Now, don't separate your hair. Don't touch your hair. Just take your head, flip, and just fluff and pick at your roots. That's what you want to do. Fluffed out, and here you go. Do you see the difference already? Like, who would have knew that doing that little trick will give your hair all of this volume? Good, it looks pretty. Like, this is so cute. Let's just take a moment to like just really see how defined my hair is and how moisturized and how shiny and how cute it looks. Okay, so that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do try this if you're somebody that's like suffering with heat damage and you want to keep your curly hair still, but you want to like be able to wear it out and feel beautiful with it. Or even if it's not that, you just want to try something different. Even if it's not that and you want to try something different, definitely give this braid out a try and tell me how it came out for you guys. And make sure if you like this video to thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit that bell button right next to it, and comment down below what you want to see next, and make sure you tell everybody you know about your girl. Until next time, pretty gang.